Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am R. Varshita, pursuing Electronics Communication Engineering from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. I am belonging to Department of Basic Science of first semester. Today's subject is Introduction to Civil Engineer. First topic is about criteria for selection of landfilling. Second topic is urban flood control. First topic, criteria of selection of landfilling. The most widely used factors for selecting a landfilling site are groundwater depth, surface water intensity, elevation, land slope, soil permeability, soil stability, flooding susceptibility, lithology and stratification, falls, land use type, nearby settlements and urbanization, cultural and protested site intensity. Landfill site selection flowchart. First of all, landfill site selection divided into three parts, that is environmental factors, second socio-culture factors, third technical and economical factors. In first one, it is also divided into four parts, that are surface waters, land type, sensitive ecosystems, land covers. In second, socio-culture factors, it again divided into three parts, that are distance to settlements, land use, distance to main roads. In third, technical and economical factors, it is divided into two parts, that are slope, distance to waste generation place. This is the picture of landfill site selection process. Second topic, urban flood control. Urban flooding means different from rural flooding as urbanization leads to developed catchments which increases the flood peaks from 1.8 to 8 times and flood volumes by up to 6 times. Consequently, flooding occurs very quickly due to faster flow times in a matter of minutes. Urban areas are densely populated and people living in vulnerable areas suffer due to flooding, sometimes resulting in loss of life. It is not only the event of flooding, but the secondary effect of exposure to infection also has its toll in terms of human suffering, loss of livelihood, and in extreme cases, loss of life. These two images are about urban flooding or floods. Short-term damage caused by flooding are first one, loss of life, second, destruction of property, third, crop damage, fourth, loss of communication, fifth, freshwater pollution, sixth, loss of power. Long-term damage caused by flooding. First one, replacing what is lost or damaged. Second, in MEDCs, insurance covers much of it, but not all, as in the case of Hurricane Katrina. Many poorer people could not afford insurance. Third one, governments have the funds to rebuild the infrastructure, example, roads, water treatment, etc. Fourth one, in LEDCs, most people lose everything. Crop destruction can lead to famine. Fifth one, the governments cannot easily rebuild the infrastructure. What they can takes a long time. Control ways of urban flood. Some methods of flood control have been practiced since ancient times. These methods include planting vegetation to retain extra water, terracing hillsides to slow flow downhill, and the construction of floodways, man-made channels to divert flood water. Avoid construction in flood-prone areas and preserve natural drainage systems. Invest in upgrading and expanding drainage infrastructure, including natural drains, stormwater channels, and flood control systems. Regular maintenance and clean off drains are essential to ensure effective water flow. These are some of the control ways of flood control. Flood control and management. There are a number of ways managing floods. First one, afforestation. Planting trees, increasing interception rates and reduces surface runoff. Second one, dams and reservoirs. These hold back and regulate the flow of river water. Can be used as freshwater supply and generation of HEP. Third one, diversion channels and basin. Overflow channels which take surplus water out of a river in times of flood. Fourth, channel straightening and digging. Smoothness the channel to increase the speed velocity of the river and get water out of the drainage basin as quickly as possible. This is the picture of revetments, gabions, and culverts. This is about today's topic in Introduction to Civil Engineer subject. Thank you.